Yo, Pops.
Yo,
So you finally noticed I've outgrown you. How that make you feel?
is that some threat?
Just a reminder, you're getting old still.
So I'm supposed to be intimidated by a lesser version of me?
I'm a better version, built different from the ground up.
You talk about build different. I'm a Billy for all of the food and light we use up in this place, yeah. Me are the real classic version. You are the generic version.
I'm your successor.
The best thing about you is that you can watch your little sibling them for cheap.
Oh, you think this is some child labor something?
Why you think them call it allowance? Because I allow you to exist as long as you know your place.
My place will soon be the man of the house.
Well, maybe we really need to show you who run things in this place, yeah.
You think those old tricks still work for me?
Try me.
I've outgrown your father. I'm taking the card.